Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious corned beef using an easy method. First, select a 5-pound beef brisket, ideally the flat cut, for best results. You'll then prepare a simple brine solution with water, kosher salt, and pickling spices. Submerge your brisket completely in this brine. It needs to cure in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days, ensuring it develops that classic corned beef flavor and texture. This initial step is crucial for a tender, flavorful outcome. Once your brisket has finished brining, it's time to prepare it for cooking. First, rinse the beef thoroughly under cold running water to remove any excess salt from the brine. Then, pat it completely dry with paper towels. Next, place the brisket into a large pot or Dutch oven. Add enough fresh water to cover the meat, along with 1 bay leaf and about 1 tablespoon of fresh pickling spices for enhanced flavor during cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Bring the liquid in your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it cook slowly. This slow cooking process is key for achieving incredibly tender corned beef. It will need to cook for approximately 3 to 4 hours, or until it is easily pierced with a fork. Ensure the internal temperature reaches at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. After cooking, carefully remove the corned beef from the pot and let it rest on a cutting board for about 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more succulent result. When slicing, always cut against the grain into thin, even pieces for maximum tenderness. Serve your delicious homemade corned beef with classic accompaniments such as steamed cabbage, boiled potatoes, and carrots. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.